Adenoidal. If someone's voice is adenoidal, some of the sound seems to come through their nose. A voice like a foghorn. A very loud voice. Breathy. A loud breathing noise. Brittle. Sounds like about to cry. Croaky. To speak in a low rough voice as if you have a sore throat. Dead. A voice that shows no emotion. Disembodied. A voice that comes from someone you cannot see. Husky. Deep and hoarse voice often sounds in an attractive way. In an undertone. To speak in a quiet voice so that someone cannot hear you. Grating sounds harsh and annoying. Gruff, rough and low sound. Fruity, deep and strong in a pleasant way. Appealing, a voice that shows you need help, approval, or agreement. Grovelly, a voice that sounds low and rough. Guttural, a guttural sound is deep, which is made at the back of someone's throat. Modulated, a modulated voice is controlled and pleasant to listen to. Monotonous, a monotonous voice is unpleasant and boring. Nasal, a nasal voice sounds like someone is speaking through their nose. Orotund, an orotund voice is loud and clear. Penetrating, a higher loud voice that makes you feel uncomfortable. Raucous, a disturbingly harsh and loud noise. Rough, a rough voice is not soft and unpleasant to listen to. Shrill, very loud, high and unpleasant. Silvery, a silvery voice is clear, light and pleasant. Sing-song, when a voice rises and falls in a musical way. Softly spoken, someone who is softly spoken has a quite gentle voice. Softly spoken, speaking in a quite gentle voice. Sort of voice, to speak in a very quiet voice. Stentorian, a very loud and severe sound.